How to fix Instagram confirmation code not received. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if you are not receiving or if you are not able to receive the Instagram confirmation code. The first thing is make sure your phone is not on do not disturb mode. Now, if your phone is on do not disturb mode, then you will not be able to receive the notifications. So it might simply be that you are receiving the text but you are not getting any notifications for it. So what you want to do is scroll down your notification bar, and here you'll find the option do not disturb, as you can see on the screen. Now if you can't find it on your notification bar, go ahead to your settings. You can find your settings icon on the top right corner of your screen, and here on the search bar you can search for do not disturb, and here turn this off. Now once you turn this off, you'll be able to receive all your notifications. The second thing you want to do is make sure the text you received from Instagram has not been blocked or spammed. Open the text on your phone, and here tap on the three dots that you can see on the screen, and here go to settings, and once on settings you can see block numbers and spam. If you are not receiving Instagram, the other reason might be that it has been sent to spam or blocked messages, so it might appear, so you would want to check it out. If it still doesn't help, wait for a few hours because the Instagram servers might be down and not working, so you might want to wait 2 to 3 hours and try it again later, and you will be able to receive the code. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.